hiking up the trail. There is a higher level. They call it level 3, where you can go under a bigger waterfall and take yourself a shower. So that's my mission at the moment. This is amazing stuff, guys. So we're trekking through the jungle looking for the next waterfall, and we ran across some new friends. Look at these guys. Got 4 goats up there. Amazing. And I'm about to cross this right here and keep heading on the path. Okay, so I made it to the shower waterfall. Nice little hike uphill. I was barefoot trekking today. My training in Hawaii kept me mentally strong, and I made it up. Time for a shower. Let's go! So I come to a place like this and look for the words to give you, but as poetic as I could be, the best thing is just to show you and maybe shut up. Words just can't describe it. Amazing, beautiful, lovely. Life-changing. Awesome. Oh. So I found my new home. You can just leave me here. I'll catch up with you guys later. Another amazing day. I just conquered Kawasan Falls, and between you and me, I didn't get a guide. I did it all myself. Man, this is just the kind of stuff that happens to me. You already know if you've been following this channel. But another one for the books. Thank you for rocking with me. Till the next one. Peace and love. Thank you.
Let's get the party started right about now. I got love.